The first app is really unique, and the reason is because it's going to take your gaming experience to the next level. Most of us love PUBG due to its multiplayer vibe, and the reason is because we can have a chat with our friends over a voice support. It gives us a wonderful experience, and it's like we all are at the same place. There might be a multiplayer games out there from big to even small ones, but they don't even give us the same feeling, and we can only use the limited chats, and that can be really annoying if it's not easy to manage along with the game. It makes a lonely vibe. That's when this app comes to play. It's the next level multiplayer support app which have a really good interface and solid smooth animations. Introducing you to Buns. This is an audio and video platform which makes it possible to play any games with your friends while on a video chat or audio call. It's up to you. You can use this app as an overlay for your games and even launch the games within the app. There are also several unique minimal games this app offers with it, and to be frank, they are really addictive if you have a bunch of friends ready to play. You can also use this app on third-party games like PUBG, Among Us, Clash of the Clans or almost anything you name. It can also be used for normal video calling just like WhatsApp and Snapchat. And the reason I prefer this over the other apps is due to its multitasking capabilities. This app is the best as it does not create unnecessary disturbance while playing or doing your own stuff. It shows the video call in the small circle in the corner. You can call multiple people at the same time. If you are a busy person and want to talk to your loved ones during work, this one is for you. I tried this out for several days, and trust me guys, for games and fun or for video calling or voice call experience, this is the future. This app is really amazingly built with super animations and better user experience. Try it out for yourself to feel the magic. Links in the description. So this is the month of October, and you guessed it right, it's time for the best apps video. And as usual, I have with me a pack of 10 completely random apps for you guys. They are really productive, creative and fun apps that I'm having in mind for you. The best apps are kept to the last, so stick with me to the very end. If you would like to check out the best Android games video for the month of October, check for the same in the description. We are also doing a weekly series on best apps, games, tips and tricks, wallpapers, ring and notification tones on every Saturday. So if you want to check the same out, click the card that pops or the links are left free in the description for you. So to see more of this amazing content, do subscribe to our channel and click the bell button to get notified every single time we upload a video. So once again, my name is Neville, you're watching this on Neville Studios, and without no further ado, let's move on with the video. So before moving to the first app, we have a WhatsApp community. So if you guys would like to get some help regarding something, see the behind the scenes, get to know some crazy news regarding app, tech and more, and interact with me and help with me with ideas and suggestions, feel free to join our group. Links in the description, and as you guys might know, it's a WhatsApp group and it's limited to its members. So join as fast as you can to claim your seats. The second one is an intro maker. You can see many minimalistic intros on famous YouTube channels like MKBHD, Linus Tech Tips, Mr. Who's the Boss and whatsoever on my YouTube channel as well. And if you are a growing YouTuber and want to make these kind of beautiful intros and outros, this one is for you. Don't get scared, this one is very simple and you don't need to know any high level advanced editing nor graphics stuff. This app does all that for you. It has many beautiful and elegant templates that you can change according to your personal likes. This app provides high quality works which will help you instantly to take your videos to the next level, reach more audience attention and grow your path to a famous YouTuber. There are free as well as premium templates that can only be accessed if you own a premium version, or to make it simple you will have to pay to get them. But don't worry, I am giving that for free for my subscribers. So you know what to do, check for the links in the description. I am sure that this will help many of you guys to create quality content. So many of you guys have personally asked me how do I make my devices look super cool for my videos, and I have also made a video on customization looks on Android devices as well, but it was a long time ago. This app would be something that I would suggest if you want to customize your device to the next level and make it attractive to see. This app creates a visualizer that moves or responds to the beat of the music that you're playing on your screen. It's really beautiful to see. Moving on to the customization, you have a lot of options to play around with. You can adjust the length, width, range, mass, speed, area and much more. There are several patterns and colors you can choose from. You can enable this on all your apps or whitelist some of the games or apps you don't want prefer seeing this visualizer. Like in my case, if I don't want to see it on YouTube app, just keep it out of here from this list. There are also so many other features like fetching colors from wallpapers or music cover art, which gives a refreshing look every time you change your song. This works well with Spotify and other music player apps. Overall, an addictive app that you can use to showcase your setup before your friends or for your videos. It's completely up to you. There are tons of other features that you can take a look at. But as I mentioned, all these features are not for free. But for my subscribers, you know what to do. The next app is for you comic lovers. If you are a person who loves comics or anime, then this is your perfect choice. It has tons of comics from different genres that you can read. You can even download and keep them for an offline experience. You can create an account and maintain a community to share your thoughts with the fellow comic lovers within the app. If you are into reading, this one can be your daily driver. Give it a try. This app also has a paid version, so check for it in the description. The next app is a real-time saver. If you are a person who has a Realme, Oppo or Vivo smartphone, you can probably skip this or just wait to get to know your phone has this feature. If you have an incoming call, just raise your phone to your ears to answer the call, and if you want to decline a call, all you have to do is just twist your phone upside down to end it. How simple is that? This may come in handy if you are a busy person or if you are in a situation when you can't attend a call. All you have to do is give it a twist. This app is really simple, and on the working side it works flawlessly on my devices even under thorough checking. Give it a try, it could do real magic. The next one is Ecosia. It is one of the best apps that needs to get more attention. This is a simple browser just like Google Chrome. Or to be precise, it feels exactly like the Google Chrome browser. It has a minimal look when compared to Chrome and even has some quality features which may be better than in Chrome. You can switch to this browser as it's lightweight and consumes less RAM, making your phone faster and thus providing a smoother experience. But that's not the twist. The app developer plants a tree each for the number of searches that you have made within the app, and that is a solid reason to switch to this app. They use a part of the revenue that they earn from this app to plant trees. How grateful they are by doing this. This app shows the count of trees they have planted till date, and it's growing pretty fast. If you are an economic enthusiastic or someone who wishes to save nature, give this app a try. Even I'm kind of switching it to save our planet. Try this app, do something good, you'll thank me later. Are you guys tired of ads rolling on your phone? From browser to apps to even the games you play on your device. Did you ever wish that you could stop this torture? Then this is the time. Wakanda 5. Somewhat it makes me remember the movie Black Panther. But what's it with the name? This app is a fantastic ad blocker which uses your VPN connection to create an ad-free experience. All you have to do is install it and give it the necessary permissions. That's pretty much it. A fantastic app, give it a try. So have you got any old photos that you wished you could have got in your hand in a much better condition? Remini can solve this issue. This app uses its algorithm to convert old blurry photos to high definition standards. It can also colorize photos from black and white to naturally looking color photos. This can make your blurry black and white memories to crystal clear colorful pictures in no time. Colorizing and correcting photos manually is a tedious process and would need expert skills in Photoshop and more apps. But this app does all that for you. Just give this app a try if you got some old photos that you need to have some adjustments with. So do you find remembering birthdays and wishing your loved ones on date been hard lately? The calendars we use can pretty much be filled up with events, meetings, plans and much more. This can make it really hard to figure out the birthdays among them, and for a person, nothing is much more special than their birthday. But this app solves that issue. This is a birthday organizer, and by that I mean no more anniversaries, events, meetings, etc. in this app. Just the birth dates of your loved ones. This app can import your birthday from other calendars as well as to make it easier to get started with. This app has all the features to get you on track with reminders. You can even save a new birthday very quickly and effectively in this app. It also has a feature by which just a tap could take you right to your favorite application to wish your birthday boy or girl. This app can be super useful, so check the same below. So moving on to the last app, this one can help you take your photos and videos to the next level by using pre-made photos, videos and even collage templates. If you are an Instagram influencer or if you want to be one who produces quality content, this may come in handy for you. There are lots and lots of quality templates, but as you know, there will always be premium templates among them. I am giving those for free for my subscribers, so do subscribe and access the links below. That's it guys for this video. Hope you liked it. If so, please share this video with your friends and family. Also, thanks for watching. Please do like this video and also subscribe if you're new here. Also click the bell button to get to us every single time we upload a video. Comment down your suggestions. We are always here and replying you. This channel is fully based on your support, so please do show your love to the maximum. I put my heart and soul in making these videos, so please do support us. This is me Neville, you're watching this on Neville Studios. Let you have an amazing time ahead. Signing out. Peace.